Blind-Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist, also known as BCA, uses radar sensors to spot vehicles that are to your side or just behind you. It also employs a camera on the windshield to detect lane markers in front of you, so it knows your position. If it sees that a collision is possible, it can intervene to reduce the risk or to make the impact less severe. It works in conjunction with your vehicle's Blind Spot Collision Warning System, or BCW, and it works best when you are near the center of your lane. To activate the system, press the Setup button on the dash. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Blind Spot Safety. You can then choose between Active Assist, Warning Only, and Off. Active Assist sounds a warning and may apply the brakes if a collision is possible with a vehicle in your blind spot. For it to work, you must be traveling over 40 miles per hour and less than 110 miles per hour, and the system must detect lane markers on both sides of you. When it intervenes, BCA engages your vehicle's electronic stability control system. The BCA brakes the front wheel in the direction opposite to the collision that is expected to help keep you in your lane. If this happens, you'll see an alert on the LCD display. If you choose Warning Only, you will only hear an audio alert and the system will not intervene. For it to work, the vehicle must be traveling above 20 miles per hour and under 110 miles per hour. BCA may not always detect a possible collision, especially on curves or slopes where lanes are at different heights or when traffic is merging or dividing. Please see your owner's manual for a more complete list of these types of situations. After your initial selection of Active Assist or Warning Only, you can turn the system on and off using the BCA/BCW switch on the instrument panel. It's located below and to the left of the steering wheel. The system is active if the switch's indicator light is on. When you turn the system off and then back on using the BCA/BCW switch, it will remember the last setting you selected and return to that setting. You can adjust how close you are to another vehicle before BCA activates. Press the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Warning Timing. You will see two options, Normal and Late. If you select Normal, the system functions at a sensitive level, alerting you early to potential incidents. But you might choose Late if traffic is light and you are traveling at a low speed. You can also set the warning volume of the alert. Press Setup, select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Warning Volume. You will see four options: High, Medium, Low, and Off. Choose the volume you wish to use for the warning. Be aware that changes to both warning timing and warning volume are universal. They can impact other safety systems. One more feature that helps with blind spot safety is the Blind Spot View Monitor, or BVM. This system displays the left or right side of the rear blind spot area of your vehicle in the instrument cluster when the left or right turn signal is on. To activate the system, press Setup. Select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Blind Spot Safety, then Blind Spot View. Select the checkbox to activate it. Now, when you signal to turn left, you'll see the left side rear view of the road on your instrument cluster. You'll see the other side when you signal right. You should avoid placing stickers or other obstructing items over the sensor areas. Doing so may cause the system to not operate correctly. Please consult the owner's manual for more info on where the sensor areas are, as well as more information on the parking warning system. As with all our safety features, Genesis Blind Spot Collision-Avoidance Assist system, Blind Spot Warning, and Blind Spot View Monitor are valuable driver's tools. But remember, they are not substitutes for alert driving.